In a move that shocked both diplomats and markets, US President Donald Trump has turned up the heat on Canada again. This time, it's not just about trade, it's about politics, Palestine, and power game. Just hours after Canada made headlines by announcing its plan to officially recognize Palestine's state at the upcoming United Nations General Assembly, Trump responded loud and clear. He didn't hold a press conference, he didn't issue a warning, instead, he raised tariff on Canadian goods from 25% to a steep 35%. Let me tell you, that's a direct hit to Canadian export like steel, aluminium, and agriculture products, industries that are already under a lot of pressure in a shaky global economy. So, what's really going on here? Let's break it down. Well, Trump's camp says that the tariff hike is about protecting American industries. But behind the scenes, this feels like retaliation, pure and simple. Canada's decision to back a Palestinian state on a global stage has clearly hit a nerve, specifically among Trump's pro-Israel supporters and allies in Washington. Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney, new in the office, already navigating complex international waters, called the move disappointing. But for many Canadians, this feels like a deja vu, right? Trump and tariffs? Well, we have been here before, right? The last time Trump used trade to flex his muscles, it sparked global backlash and cost American customers more money than the checkout counters. And now, this latest tariff drama could strain US-Canada relation even further, just as both nations are trying to rebuild economic ties after years of pandemic disruption. At the heart of all this is a question that goes beyond trade. Can a country like Canada stand for peace without being punished for it? Stay tuned, because this isn't just about politics, it is about the new rule of global diplomacy in a world where deals are made not in the boardrooms but on the battlefields of influence.